watching Taco Game, and today I'm going to teach you how to make cheese sticks. And the ingredients you need is cheese. This is empty. You need cheese and a cover that has water, a little bit. Then lumpia wrap. Lumpia wrap and a plate where to put it. Then the first step you're going to do is cut it. Then put it here. Then roll it. Then you'll use the water. Wipe the water here to close. To put a little more.
Enough.
Okay, there. After you roll and put it, after you cut it and roll it, and they're done, they're ready for frying. And make sure the fire is low. And make sure to have a grown-up to help you. My mom is helping me, so we'll put the cheese sticks. The cheese are inside already, so I'm gonna put them. The first one. There. Now my mom is going to do it. When you're done frying it or being helped by your mom, your cheese sticks will become golden brown, and that means you're able to eat it now. That's finished, and you can share it with your friends. And that's all. Thank you for watching, kids. Please like and subscribe my video for support. And kids, watch out for my next video. Thank you.